virtual trainings, long virtual trainings are difficult, right?
The great thing with Instruqt is not only do you get the virtual machines and the environment all ready to go, is that you can create interactive tracks to sort of guide people through the experience.
They're like, wow, this is really cool. I would like taking our exam, and I hate taking tests.
Go to a class right now, any amount of students, and give the same training.
I like that everybody can just show up, we all have a common starting place, and we can focus on the learning, not the setup of the environment.
Learners, one, can learn whenever, wherever they are. They don't have to come here, we don't have to go there.
Basically all of them just use Instruqt fairly intuitively, right? There's a set of instructions on one side and then command line on the other side, and you can copy the commands and paste the commands and see what happens. And
It's learning through doing, right?
Practice something without the fear of breaking something.
We have seen massive adoption of the labs.
The check functionality, so if people get stuck, we have like little hints.
this is real life. You're doing it here. If something doesn't work, you're going to see what the problems are, right?
If you're serious about doing training properly and without a lot of headache, then I would consider using Instruqt.
Anything that can utilize a hands-on opportunity, we're going to get it into Instruqt.